Check out this starter herb growing kit. I'm so excited because it is October now. Obviously, outdoor garden isn't warm enough to grow anything, but this would be perfect to grow something indoor and always have some fresh herbs. Here we have fertilizer. Looks a little dirty. I'm just assuming this kind of seeped through. Yeah, because I got on the table. We have a couple orange and a couple of white pots. And we have these saucers, I guess. Grow guide, instructions how to grow, and information about the herbs in our kit. Last but not least are the plant markers. We have the name of the herb, and we can put in the date when we planted so we know. These are good quality. You can like reuse them later in your garden. So we have Italian oregano. We have curled chervil, that probably mispronounced, cilantro, lemon balm, basil, get over here, thyme, rosemary, and parsley. We don't have dill. Dill is my favorite though. This is still pretty good selection. And now planting instructions. Step number 1, using a large bowl, soak 4 soil pallets in warm water with ratio 1 pallet to 3/4 cup of water. Wait 15-20 minutes until pallet discs loosen and expands 4 to 5 times their size. The soil should be damp but not dripping wet. So here I have water, and let's throw 4 of these pallet discs in the water. They will absorb the water and expand. It almost feels like it needs more water because it just soaked all in within seconds, not minutes. And the instruction said soak it for 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for maybe 2-3 minutes, see if water will go up and everything will get wet, or if I need to add just a tiny bit of water. Meanwhile, we can move on to step number 2. While waiting for the soil to expand, prepare the seeds. Soak them individually in a small container with 2 tablespoons of warm water to cover the seeds. I'll use these saucers to prepare seeds. So this is the fertilizer, and these are packages with seeds. We have them all labeled. So I will put the label next to the saucer so I can keep track of what seeds are where. Oh, these are like the tiniest seeds. And next is rosemary. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of water to each. We'll give them a few minutes, and in our instructions it says mix the nutrition pack thoroughly into the soil. Mix into the soil. I do feel like adding just a tad bit of water. I want to dump in, and we need to mix it in to the soil. Next step. Step number 4. One soil pallet can fill up to 2 pots. Transfer the soil mixture into the pot, leaving up to 1/2 inch from the top. Next, we have sowing instruction. Using toothpick or pencil, make small hole for seeds. And then we have instructions for different seeds, how deep you want to place them. So with this one, we just kind of scatter it and then lightly press. We still have them on here, so I will gently scrape them off and put them in there. This one ready. Next one is rosemary. Next we have lemon balm. All seeds are in. I will put today's date. And next step is to cover each pot with piece of plastic wrap to help germination. And then remove the plastic wrap once a day to provide airflow. And then we have more instructions how to take care once our herbs are up and growing. So this looks fancy. I am excited to grow my herbs, and we'll keep you posted. I have them sitting on the window, and I noticed some of them are starting to pop through. They're so tiny. It's so cute. And I think this one is starting to pop through. Yeah, oregano. Nothing here yet. We are a month in. I planted them on October 3rd, and today is November 5th. And definitely green here. This is like the bushiest one. Love it. Some of them are bigger than others, but they all are popping up, looking cute. This one has fewest, but still got some. Looking good. We'll keep an eye on them. I got them on the windowsill just so they have plenty of light. It doesn't have direct light because my window is kind of shaded for privacy, but has enough light for them.